Hi friends, this video shows how to mount rear speakers on wall using new lengthy RCA cable. So this is a RCA cable coming with this speaker, but its length is short, so I cannot use it. So I have purchased a new RCA cable. So this is a new RCA cable which I purchased. I will show you how to connect rear speakers or how to mount rear speakers using this RCA cable. So let me take one rear speaker. In the back side here we can see RCA port. In this port we can connect this RCA cable like this. So now the problem is we cannot mount it on wall. See, so this is a mount port, and see now we cannot mount it on the wall. So what we have to do is we have to use a 90-degree RCA connector or L-shape RCA connector. So this is the L-shape RCA connector. This RCA connector we can connect here like this, then connect this RCA cable here. So now we can mount this speaker on wall. Okay, so this way we can mount a speaker on wall. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.